This is my Samsung Galaxy M14, a sub $100 smartphone, and today it just received November 2025 quarterly security update, and the size is 473 and 97 megabyte. Honestly, I am really excited to see this kind of updates such on a budget phone. In this video, I will update my M14 and explain why updates matter, especially on low-cost devices, and the precautions you must take before installing any software update. This update mainly focuses on security improvements. No flashy new features here, but security updates quietly fix system vulnerabilities and keep your phone safe in the background. Many people think budget phones don't get proper updates, but Samsung proves that wrong. Okay, this Galaxy M14, which costs around $100, is still receiving quarterly security patches. This means better protection for everyday users who rely on their phones for call, payments, social media, and saving personal data. Security updates protect your phone from malware, app exploits, data leaks, and system level threats. Even if your phone feels fast, skipping updates can make it slowly less responsive. That's why I always recommend installing official updates even on a budget phone. Precautions you need to take before installing any update: make sure the battery is at least 50% or higher for safety. Keep your phone connected to the charger, and you must use a strong Wi-Fi connection. Always back up your important data, contacts, photos using Google Drive or Samsung Cloud, and please ensure that your phone has enough free storage. Low storage can cause update failure or lag after installing the update, and never force restart or press any button during the installation process. Interruptions can cause software corruptions. The Galaxy M14 is now installing the update. The phone may restart a few times during the process. This is completely normal. Seeing this level of update support on a budget phone by Samsung is really impressive. If you found this video helpful, like this video, subscribe to Galaxy Station, and stay tuned for more Android and Samsung updates.